ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale's Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
So here I welcome Mr. K.L. Rao to talk about digital magazine readers, narrating about Andhra University alumni meet on 17 December 2022. So it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Today, first I will talk about Andhra University Alumni Meet. It took place on 17th December. Andhra University alumni from different corners of the country and even from other countries, they are assembled on 17th December at Andhra University campus, and they have been to their hostel rooms where they stayed during their courses. They have tasted the food where they used to take the mess, in the mess where they used to take food regularly. They been to their department where they did the course, maybe engineering, maybe management, maybe philosophy, maybe pharmacy. They conveyed their compliments to their professors. They interacted with their professors. And evening at Convention Hall of Andhra University on the beach road, they assembled, and the chief guest was Infosys Narayanamurthy Garu. And Grandhi Mallikarjun Rao, the chairman of GMR Foundation, happens to be the president of the alumni students. And Indra Prasad, MD of Aurobindo Feeds, is also associated very well with the alumni association and donated, as GMR also donated to the university, its well-being, its progress, and they also spoke. The University Vice Chancellor, Professor Prasad Reddy, appraised the progress of the university and its remarkable achievements in different fields. Then the chief guest Narayanamurthy addressed the gathering comprising of the present students and the past students. The main advice provided by Narayanamurthy Garu is to the University Vice Chancellor is utilize the rich expertise of all the past students or alumni of the university by inviting to deliver lectures regularly, especially during convocation. This really helps in the growth, development and motivating the students, present students. This is an excellent piece of advice given, and I am sure university authorities will implement his piece of advice, and certainly Andhra University will be progressing without any limits. It will be one of the eminent universities India has. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was Vice Chancellor once. Then Sir C.V. Raman worked as a professor in physics department once. Indian Bank chairman, ex-chairman, former chairman, Padmaja ma'am. She was also alumni of Andhra University. Ex-Vice President Venkaiah Naidu garu is also from Andhra University. He did law course there. Lastly, I did chemical engineering from Andhra University College of Engineering during 1971. So naturally, I love Vizag, I love Andhra University. And my best wishes to Mr. Uday, who is actually Chief Executive of Hello Vizag Digital Magazine. Definitely, I am sure that Vizagites enjoy reading this digital magazine regularly, and this magazine will be popular soon. KL Rao signs off.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again, listeners. I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hiria for more such interesting program. Government of India has initiated elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question and queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.